Click Login after turning on the machine. Click Confirm. The machine will automatically execute the action of returning to the reference point. After the machine completes returning to the reference point, select the Program menu. Click on New. Enter program name. Click Confirm. Then enter the width and height of the profile. Click on that line. Select Hole Type. Set the machining dimensions on the 0 degree side. Hole size, the position, depth, etc. Then choose 90 degree side. Set all values. Then choose -90 degree side. Set all values. Save project. Then select Load project. Enter the Auto menu. Select the edited machining program and click Confirm.